Drums rolling. County number 3. And all the way from county number 16, we traveled all the way to county number 3 just to bring you an episode on the things you should not do as a farmer when you're doing fruit farming.
Most farmers are farming with very little knowledge on the hacks and tricks to proper farming. Some have been duped by money-hungry seedling vendors who sell seedlings that take up to 5 years to start fruiting. For proper farming techniques that will boost your fruit farming, consult a specialist. Here are things to avoid.
Number 1 is avoid planting your trees while the grafting area is below the soil. The grafting area should be above the soil. Number 2, avoid mulching your trees closer to the tree. Make sure the mulch is 1 feet away from the tree so that it does not attract diseases, it does not attract pests which can start destroying the fruits. Number 3, also mulching your soil is very good because it prevents water from draining away from the soil. So you can put the grasses away, but the best thing you can do is that you put in the mulch around your plant. Number 3 is all you need to dig. It's 2 by 2 by 2. That is 2 feet wide and 2 feet deep. That will ensure that your soil is very good enough to obtain 1 wheelbarrow of manure, and then your plant will be your soil will be loose for the plant that you're going to plant, and the roots will penetrate very quickly. For those who have planted the trees and they have not followed the above rules, what you can do to correct your plants is that you can dig around 2 feet around the trees that you have planted, and then put more manure. Like when the tree is big, you can put 1 wheelbarrow of manure and till it around, mixing with the soil, and then you are good to go. Those who and also add mulch around the plant.
We are here to educate you, and when you go to the Swahili people in Mombasa, Kilifi, and whatever county that they speak Swahili, you always come out with a saying. But now, as we speak right now, mwalimu wa geography, you said something like Arabuko Sokoke, that is where I'm standing right now. And we have started an orchard at J. Kusenga Farm in Arabuko Sokoke, Tezo, Kilifi County. Yes. Now, as you have learned, whatever you want to do, start with the right procedures. You will not go wrong. And we will not come to your farm to cut down trees. We will come to ensure they fruit. Think green, live green with J. Kusenga. Michael Masha once said, thanks to Michael Masha, by the way, he's the one who's given us this job. Michael Masha said this. He was told by one person that when you plant a tree, you will either get fruits, a shade, or firewood. If you don't get fruits, at least you have tried, you have a shade in your house, in your compound. From J. Kusenga Farm,